Hey everyone, welcome back. Lately, I've been seeing this method popping up all over the internet. People are saying you can get unlimited gems and coins in Tasty Travels using just your phone, no computer, no extra apps, nothing complicated. At first, it sounded a little too good to be true, so I decided to test it myself and see what really happens. In this video, I'll walk you through everything step by step, show you exactly what I did, and share the final results. The first thing you need is your player ID. You can usually find it in your profile or somewhere in the settings. I found mine pretty quickly and copied it so I could use it in the next step. It's super straightforward, nothing tricky here. After that, I opened up my phone's browser. I'm using Chrome, but honestly, any browser should work just fine. Then I searched for the website everyone's been talking about that's connected to Tasty Travel's unlimited gems and coins. The page loaded right away. No strange pop-ups, no weird redirects, nothing sketchy. Honestly, that surprised me a bit. It actually looked clean, simple, and totally normal. Once on the site, I selected my platform. I'm on Android, but there was an iOS option too. Then I pasted in my player ID and double-checked everything before moving on. After tapping the button, the site showed a short loading process with animations. Nothing froze or crashed, it all ran smoothly. Next, it asked how many gems and coins I wanted to add. For this test, I went with the highest amount just to really see what would happen. After I confirmed, the page showed a few progress bars running through different steps as everything loaded and processed. It was super easy to follow, and everything was laid out in a clean, simple way. Before it finished, there was a quick verification step. The site explains it clearly and gives simple instructions, so it wasn't confusing at all. I already completed that part earlier, so now let's skip ahead and jump straight to the results. To see if it actually worked, I opened Tasty Travels again and checked my gems and coins balance. And yep, the extra resources were already there. No restarting the game, no waiting around for anything to load. It updated instantly on my phone, which honestly surprised me. So based on my test, the method worked exactly as described. The steps were simple, everything was mobile friendly, and it was easy to follow as long as you pay attention. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest tests and reviews. And if you've tried this method yourself, drop a comment and let me know how it went. I read every one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.